Vivo continues to announce its new phones in all price categories and announces the Vivo Y100 4G phone. The mobile phone was released in the Pakistani market. Inshallah, through the video, we will learn about all the specifications and contents of the box. At the end, I will talk about the price of the Vivo Y100 4G phone. Let's go. Welcome my friends and sisters again. We will first talk about the date of the announcement of the phone, its release in the markets. The mobile phone was announced on May 3, 2024. It was also issued on May 3, 2024. The weight of the phone is 186 or 196 grams depending on the color. The thickness is 7.79 or 7.95 millimeters depending on the color. The mobile phone is resistant to dust and light water spray with an IP54 rating. It also supports a fingerprint embedded at the bottom of the screen, and supports facial recognition. It supports accelerometer, proximity, compass and gyroscope. Of course, the phone supports 2 SIM cards with the installation of a memory card up to 1 TB. RAM and internal and external memory. RAM at 8 GB LPDDR4X. And internal memory 256 GB UFS 2.2. You can add a microSD external memory card up to 1 TB. Do you either play one chip with the memory card or play the 2 SIM cards and dispense with the memory card? Screen specifications. The screen comes from the AMOLED type with full HD+ quality with a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels with a screen refresh rate of 120 Hz. The brightness is 1800 nits, and the pixel density is 395 pixels per inch. System Android version 14 with FunTouch 14 interface. Therapist Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 octa-core with 6 nanometers manufacturing technology. The graphics processor or the Adreno 610 graphics card. Dual backlight with LED flash. The first lens is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture. The second lens is 2 megapixel with a 2.4 aperture for the isolation function. The rear camera supports HDR, panorama, and shooting videos in full HD with a resolution of 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. As for the front camera, it has a resolution of 8 megapixel with a 2.0 aperture. It supports shooting videos in full HD with a resolution of 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Battery. It has a capacity of 5000 mAh and supports 80 watts fast wired charging. Approximately 80% of the battery capacity is charged in 30 minutes. The contents of the phone box. Phone shipper user guide, USB Type-C cable, SIM card slot opening, pin pod. Ascarina has already been developed. Warranty. Price for the version of 8 GB RAM and 256 GB memory $253. At the price, we will have finished the video. I hope you liked it. Do not skimp on support. Like the video, follow us and do the bell to receive everything new in the mobile world.